So, I was gonna say easy. Okay, you know what? Slow and steady always wins the race. This would be so much easier if we had a mouse. Ugh. Almost lead it to the edge. This game is scary knowing, like, not at the end, knowing that you're gonna, like, hit the wall. Because you try so hard, and then you just hit it. There should be, like, a little save button, so you don't have to restart. This is pissing me off. This part always gets me, I don't know why. What the fuck? Oh. Shit. If you hit the wall, I'm gonna throw the computer at the screen.
How do you do that?
Wait, what did I just say?
If you hit the wall, I'm gonna throw the computer at the screen.
I guess I should have reworded that differently.
Yeah, you should have.
It's so repetitive. When you hit the wall, you just go and do the whole thing again. Because, oh my god. Honestly, almost just hit the wall. Fuck. What the fuck? You told me it was the next one, you? Oh my god. I actually scream like a chick. Holy shit, I'm getting this thing off. What the fuck? I can't. That was freaking evil of you to not tell me what level it was. I wasn't even finished. And you just lay that shit on me. Fuck.